Bro's so bad at parenting, he needs a manual for it. Is this Uzi's biggest fear? I'm not a robot. That's why my project is this sick as hell railgun. Actually, a railgun is a projectile weapon propelled by electromagnetic forces. It's not actually a laser weapon as you made it out to be. Mere Dear Drones Episode 4. The 7th of April 2023. Wait, really? I don't have to wait 2 months. So Pom, your counselor told me to pick you up for today. And is there something wrong in school? I can help you figure. Killed a classmate. Has anyone ever made the connection as to why doll is Russian? I assumed that was part of the joke. She's a Russian nesting doll. She speaks Russian, has a nest of those weird bug things where she brings back the remains of her prey, and her name is Doll. That's the joke. Your Honor, if you are what you eat, then my client is an innocent worker drone. The type of people before episode 4. Are 34 artists ready to draw Mlf Nori 4 minutes after episode 4 drops? Lizzie haters wondering why she isn't dead yet. Ducking die already Lizzie. The J fans happy that J is back. The J fans knowing full well she will die again. People patiently waiting for merch to arrive. Artists now that designs are getting more complicated. Nori fans hoping to see more lore behind Nori because she deserves better. Let's be honest. Me, you/cheerful white, Reddit, cheerful white, Twitter. Ready for some shit to re-upload my shut and not ask. The type of people before episode 4. Normal fans who are slightly worried on what the heck was in that teaser. Normal fans tearing themselves apart watching 8jots fight over who N should be in love with. Braden fans worried for his safety following the teaser. Theorists now that there is too many things to keep track of. NXV shippers as of now. NXUZ shippers as of now. Confused people wondering how a robot is not dying in water. People still trying to convince their friends to watch Mere Dear Drones. I little bit of chess. Uzi not understanding how she's winning at chess. V recording. N eating his own pieces because they looked like oil. Tasty. 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 Sadness. Another. EI. Short people on tall people. That worker drone just asked for the time V. Your mom. The science side of Reddit going over Mere Dear Drones. And this is not a railgun. Yes it is. Not scientifically possible. They are gonna rend your bloodline. Run. How could human balance in these? Bow. Oh. So you decided to be an actual copycat, huh? Hey. This was my idea first. Okay, calm down you two. You two look amazing. Regardless of what you wear. No need for a competition to justify that I love both of you. What is that? Is that your ducking fursona? That's cringe. You're cringe. Different types of V. Becky Cannon V. Stussy Concept V. Chrissy Beta V. He can be your angel. Or he can be your devil. J. Saying her evil monologue. Uzi. Stop saying bite me. Or draw 25. Uzi. Mere Dear Drones Episode 2. Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Releasing on November 18th. When N first met Uzi, Thomas eyed the newcomer doubtfully. Uzi says, let's call JC Jensen. For Christmas, I want a dragon. Be realistic. Then I want Jay to be nice. If she comes back, what color do you want your dragon? Red. Meet Uzi, the edgy teen girl bot, who also watch anime. Meet V. She may look like a cutie pie, but she mad enough to turn you into a meat pie. I really like your dog. Can I pet him? Me when someone accuses me of something that I in fact did. Special instructions. Send your cutest delivery boy. Me in wedding. Me and Media Drones episodes 4 premiere on April 7th. Rated meme face. The Psycho 1. Edgelord and team leader. The Simp. The Duck. Hey Uzi, am I looked up now? Me after saying the rudest possible thing to my friend. Why has he canonically committed more crimes than V so far? We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. I can be rather silly at times. Why is N the only Media Drone that has feet? Since V and J are both girls, and they both don't have feet, does that mean only the male Media Drones have feet? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Ninja Elite series. My key in disguise. Could you not simp for me? For 5 minutes. Hi, can I get an iced latte with oil? I mean oil. I mean oil. Sorry, I mean oil. I mean oil. I mean. J. N. Virus. I believe in N supremacy. Me at 5 years old going to my parents' room to tell them there's a spooky monster in my closet. When you realize you didn't pre-order the N and Uzi figurines. Worker drones, having a peaceful life in Copenhagen. The disassembly drones arriving in the planet, allow us to introduce ourselves. Get an loser, we are gonna commit murder. Finds Uzi as a disassembly drone on the internet. What the duck is this? Starts living in my head rent free. My friend knowing a lot about a game. Me not knowing a single thing. Glitch Production when has created a new show. Sunset Paradise. Media Drones. When you see a person dressed as Among Us, the voices won't go away. V. Kills worker drones left to right. Also V. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink water. Me after watching Mita run a last episode. Also me waiting Media Drones whole season. Why you bring her in? She gonna kill us. What? She cute. J isn't coming back. J fans. Everywhere I go, I see his face. N is confirmed to be over 18 years old. Roll 34 artist. So you see, that's where the trouble began. That smile. That damned smile. When N and Uzi barely speak to each other, and everyone thinks they're going to end up being a couple. Don't get shut confused Nick. Uzi X Thad and VXN are the ships that have the most possibilities of being canon. Stop. Plants exist. Lily. You don't know J. You can't kill her. Uzi. Evil and be like, I hate doing anything. Liam was just nervous. Jay's still not coming back. Me. My mind. Me being bored. Watch again the Media Drones pilot. This person tried to unlock your phone. Toxic glitch fans thinking Media Drones cancelled Meter Runner. We haven't forgotten about Meter Runner, don't you worry. Make yourself useful human. Before we eliminate your entire race. Bleh, I burned my tongue. Don't worry Uzi, I got you. NN, what is it? That, it's a butterfly. They're harmless. Butterfly? God, this upgrade is making me feel weird. You tell N and J lowest body count eats a missile. They start having ripping the worker drones instead of killing them. NXV/UZ shippers when a new female Moria drone is revealed in the show. UZ/V. NXUZ/V shippers. I don't want to play with you anymore. Good JB like. N you're useful and awesome, and if the company allowed it, I would straight up give a badge right now. When a cat plays at an entrance. Adorable. I when my desk mate cheats in a test as me and he get caught for it. Hey, that's against the rules. N. Look at me. I'm the villain now. When you meet someone from your past, but it would be too cringe to say hello, so you're just. When you mess up something urge, but it's funny as heck. N. Oh harder daddy. Uzi. Ah. What the heck? Who are you? I'm you, but as a robot. And I snack at my job. Among Us. Literally so insanely suspicious. When you say Moria drone snacks. The whole Moria drones community. Rogue serial designation B or sister B. Bio. One of the first few Moria drones to create it, but when she found some unburned pages from the good book, B became a pacifist and disabled all her weapon systems along with dressing up as a nun, but she still has her old habits of reading love novels and wearing lingerie undergarments. B has also been helping some worker drones out from time to time. Who would win? Scropius Rex. 2 disassembly drones. Kids in horror movies. Hey, let's go in that haunted house over there. Sure. I love doing anything. Call Moria drones a bad series or draw 25. Me. Moria drones soundtrack. News reports of people dying. Searching Moria brings on YouTube. My mom when she calls me, but I don't answer. Literally so insanely suspicious. The girl trying to scare me with her new Wednesday personality. My personality. I finally found it. After 15 years. The Scroll of Truth. Moria Drones is the best show on the internet. Hello the boss fans. Nien. I have an alpha butch. I have a manic pixie dream girl. Ah. New ship dynamic. Me. Horror movies / games / shows. Alright. Get lost. All of you. You're fired. Go on. Scram. Me. Horror movies / games / shows. Get out of here. You moochers. That's right. Keep moving. Me. Moria drones. Except you. You stay. Moria drones. Me when my dad says we are getting a puppy. Random worker drone. V. Me trying to play a video game with my sibling. Them every 2 seconds asking me what button to press to move and / or jump. Guys don't search up U's and V's cat fight for N. Worst mistake of my life. No way dude. Our lord is here. N plush. Joins the battle. The disassembly drones. Serial designation V. Serial designation J. Serial designation N. School announcement. There will be no school for a month. Me. Opens the door to see outside. Everyone else in the SCP containment chamber. You what mate? When you say the boys are dumb. Me with the boys. Me when someone say I'm dumb. It's mine and I get to hug him. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Custom character moveset. Neutral B. Shoots a small laser from her railgun. Side B. Throw N stall that has corrosive nanites. Hit opponents will be poisoned and floured. Down B. Does a small jump and smashes the ground. Up B. Rides on N. While he flies upward. Can be angled. Final smash. Fires a giant laser from her railgun across the screen dealing massive damage. Shop. Settings. 5 Nights in Copper 9. New game. Load game. Extras. Custom night. When Indominus Rex escapes its paddock. Close it. Indominus Rex. Indominus Rex. Indominus Rex. Me. Opens the door for some fresh air. Everyone when their worker and disassembly drones outside the door. You what mate? Pro players that are about help me win. Me who is an Uber Bedwars. So Moria Drone so far is one of the best shows ever. Have you seen it? Who would win? An alpha female velociraptor? A wholesome male robot? SpongeBob me Bob. The disassembly drones went in the base and we're all gonna get Moria Dagagagagag. When an asteroid hits the earth in the Cretaceous period. Dinosaurs. Me. Opens a window to get fresh air. Everyone on the submarine. You what mate? Hello mine turtle. Hello. Steps on mine turtle. Kaboo. N sneezed. Nice N. I sneezed okay. Who would win? The fiery feathered raptor. A mass more earring female drone. SpongeBob me Bob. I'm being hunted down by disassembly drones and now I need a ride agagagagag. Me waiting for Moria Drones Season 1. Who would win? White Alpha Raptor. Disassembly Drone Slayer. POV. You are a worker drone and the Moria Drones landing pod lands. What are the Moria Drones' views on love? V says, I don't have one. N says I love V. Wait what? Nothing. Meter Runner. Moria Drones. What do I watch? When you walked into a trio of disassembly drones. No thanks. I choose life. How Moria Drones will probably go. JC Jensen. Bye bye. Cute plushes for sale. Me when I visited a planet called Copper 9. What is this place? Yuzi. With a cute Moria drone. Lizzie. I gotta get one of those. Me trying to guess which one is a male tortoise and a female tortoise.